In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Alinea Invest. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Just follow the video till the end to get to know every detail about the Alinea Invest website and application. So for the website, this is their website, which is made on the latest feature and kind of a high-tech website with the latest feature. As you guys can see that if I scroll down, these things will move and but these things are not important. While we just need to talk about the subject, which is investment, obviously in this video. So let's just dive right into it. As you guys can see that this application is mainly focused on the Apple iOS. So let's go and read some iOS reviews as well, so we can have a better understanding. So if we go to their community page on their website, we will see some of these sort of things. Just wait a second till the page boot up. So here you guys can see that we can simply click on join now, and that link will lead us to their Slack channel. And this is pretty much it for the community page. And these are CEO talks, research, get Alinea. So we're gonna go and read the reviews about the Alinea investment on the Reddit. So this person is saying that had never heard of it. Some quick Googling leads me to believe it's real, but it's also $120 for a membership. Don't do that. Get Fidelity or Vanguard and read up and some financial subs here on the Reddit. $120 way too much when you can invest for free on other apps. If you're in the US, then only use Fidelity, Vanguard, or Squab. Everyone else is a subpar. Stick with the big boys, little fidelity. These things, people are saying that it's too much overpriced as compared to the other applications which are obviously for free. This person is saying that Efinitely scam, the annual membership is unreasonably expensive, sitting at $120 a year. At that point, it's not investing, it's yourself. It's investing in their business. Oh, but it doesn't stop there. There's options are so minimal and not all user friendly. And I just decided I was done with this app. So when I went to pull out my money, there was literally no option for it. They only let me take half of it, which makes absolutely no sense. I messaged them a week ago on this and I got no response. I would not waste time with this. You are better off just setting a reminder to invest, or use the Fidelity app, which is free to use, or just set up a mutual fund with your bank account. So this is a pretty decent comment, as you guys can read it. So the person is saying that why should we invest $120 in a year plan while we are being given so much little and minimum options and functionality on the application, while we can get the Fidelity app, obviously, which is for free and which a lot more options and functionality. So if you're not going to use the Fidelity app, why not just setting up a mutual funds with your bank account? That will save you money. So this is the reviews about the LNI investment. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Take care. Bye bye.